I've opened this image in Photoshop, and I'm going to blow this up a bit. I'm in the magnifier tool, and the magnifier has the plus sign in it. I'm just left clicking, and then up here it tells what size it's at. It's at 50 now. There's 66.7, and there's 100%. And generally, when I'm sharpening an image, I usually view the image at 100%. So now I'll go up to filter, and I want to go to, where's that hiding? Sharpen, unsharp mask. Now there you saw it sharpened it. I'm going to click on the preview box here and uncheck it. There's the original, and there it's sharpened. I think that's a tad much, so the amount I'm going to slide down to 100. I was at about 150, and the radius I'm going to drop down. It was at 1.5. I'm going to drop down to 1.0. I'm going to uncheck preview. There's the original, and there's after sharpening. Actually, I think I'm going to go back up a bit. I'm going to go up to 125 and radius of 1.2. Click on the preview. Yeah, I like that. If you over sharpen on edges, you'll start getting, you can, well, maybe you can't, but right here, it gets to be a white line. I turn it off. There is actually an original, but this just accentuated it. Usually sharpening, it increases the contrast between light and dark areas, and you'll get a black line or a white line, or actually there's a little bit of both up here. If you overdo it, it just doesn't look right. So it's really just a matter of messing around with it. So I'm going to say okay, and then I would go to File, Save As, and I will save this file as a Photoshop or PSD. That's the highest quality you can save it. On my camera, they come out as JPEGs, and if you do work to an image and you resave it as a JPEG and over and over again, it compresses the image, and once that information's gone, you can never get it back. So PSD file, it's going to compress a little bit, but nowhere near as much as a JPEG. So, but that's it. I'm not going to save that, but that's how you sharpen images. Thanks for watching.